Or
Urge
something.
na ako.
Skill issue.
Kailangan ko ng static.
I'm
O
the
din.
strongest now.
Kasi kailangan ko ng fire.
Kendrick,
Mag-vlog ano sila.
give me your iron, bro. Give me your iron.
Plumber.
Thunder? Fire 2? No way.
Bad kit.
Ay. What? Kendrick, may emerald ka pahingi.
I don't have one, so let's do this.
Oh, they're all rushing us!
What?
They're all rushing us!
Dude, you're the strongest in the game right now.
Guys, by the way, I am recording this.
Hello, Rizzlers.
Why is bro recording?
Look at Kendrick right now. What's up? What's up, bro?
Who has an emerald?
What's up, listener?
Hey, this is Kendrick. That's
Who has
everyone.
an emerald?
The pro.
And
And we got Ethan, the brainy, and me, the normal guy.
no, you're not normal. You're autistic.
No, you're
Yeah,
not
I'm autistic, by the way.
Wait, what's for real? Are you joking?
Dati, 5.
Bro, Kendrick, Chard was autistic.
Sure wants to get that.
Halika na, orange na tayo.
Orange? I bet. Kendrick. Yo, give me that. I stole it, Kendrick.
Oh! Bruh.
Bruh.
Ethan, if
suck,
you stole
Chard.
my
Oh!
diamonds, I would have just go to the
You see how many kills I got?
Go,
I got 4 kills.
Go!
No way. No way can do that. Yo, Chard, pay me iron
Who has
quick.
one emerald?
Good off.
Take me an emerald now.
Who has one emerald? I need one.
No. Don't tell me. It's
I'm
gonna break.
ending them all.
Yes! Meron tayong emerald.
Yes. I'm gonna get it. Life steal 3. Can we start with life steal 3?
Huh?
Life steal 3.
I got the 3.
Let's go.
I'm gonna kill them now. All of them.
Kaya ko ng, diamond armor. Malapit na ako maging diamond armor.
No. Pero hindi din ang emerald. Kailangan ko din.
Wala break. Sa base na lang tayo. Sa base na lang.
Killed someone.
Fire 3.
Sa base na lang tayo. Lock up na natin to.
Get in the domain. Get in the domain, Kendrick.
Bro, Ethan, ilalak ko na ha.
Uy, wag! Lalabas na kami ah. We have no way of getting out. Cover it with obsidian.
No!
Kendrick
Sana
is
mag-cover
doing it.
Ethan ha.
No, I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Oh, Kendrick is dead.
Guys,
Tatapusin
do it.
naman.
Be a man. Kill them.
Father, you have failed. You have failed. So now
Nandiyan pa yung
avenge you, Father. Father, destroy them all. Destroy him. Destroy him. Destroy the orange man. Destroy him. Oh gosh, I almost fell.
Bro,
Destroy them all. Destroy them all.
Wala.
Dude. Guys, the block decay.
Come on. Kaya ko na mag-buy ng blocks.
Quick, bago disintegrate.
Wala yung island.
Dude.
Isa mo, Ethan.
No, nagdi-disappear na island. I repeat, it's disappearing.
Bro, bilisan mo mo. Dito ako lang dito magka-clutch.
The block decay has started. No. Chardo, be a man. Go.
Yeah. Okay.
Be a man, bro. You get this. Bilis.
Doon tayo sa main island.
Get to main island. Huwag ka mahulog. It's the worst time to fall, bro. Wait, si Chard na lang natitira? Yo, Chard, you're gonna have to 2v1 them. You're gonna have to 2v1. snipe mo sila.
Wala akong ano.
Hindi ko bumili.
Yeah.
Gosh, failure. Kendrick, where you at, bro? You dead?
Bro, nasa snipe ako.
We're both in the afterlife. Dapat bumili ka ng blast proof ceramic at saka yung iba.
Hindi, hayaan mo lang. Dito lang ako forever.
Magdidikay yung blocks mo.
I know, but
No.
I'm trying to find a new way.
Dali, ano. Chard, even if you cover yourself, you can't.
I'm out of block.
You can do it. You can. No. Oh. Attack! He's on the edge. He's on the edge of defeat. Just accept defeat. Accept defeat. No.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, bro.
Bro, ulit nga tayo.
Sige.
This time, I'm gonna equip Dino Tamer.
Okay, guys, this is the second try.
Conqueror.
Ethan, 13 minutes na lang yung video.
The strongest. I'm the strongest.
So, plan is...
Kendrick because you're the strongest. Are you the strongest because you're Kendrick?
Okay, isa...
You haven't cooked in the last 5 days. Yo.
Why?
Time for me to clutch Ethan.
Okay. Go faster.
Yo,
That's
who
Lakoy
wants a
tayo.
dino?
Dude, there's a fire battle, bro. There's a fire
wants a
battle.
dino?
Don't forget that. I'm gonna get it.
Who wants a dino?
Already got it.
No, who wants a dinosaur?
Oh, me. I'm a dinosaur.
Here. Wait, I'm gonna put it here. Huh? What?
Give me a gun. Give me a gun.
I can't. I can't give.
Yan.
Oh, we're so protected.
Let's go.
Dapat healing, Ethan.
Healing. Oh, sige. Healing. Kailangan ko pa. Healing.
Lagay mo.
Oh, wait lang. Dalawa ba bilhin ko? Ayan. Dito. Tapos dito. Ah. Yan. Dude.
Get mo na ng
I
diamond.
got a double kill.
Nasaan na yung fire ko?
Wala na.
Fire's gone. Wait, fire? Fire arrow.
Oh. What does that do?
Blood doesn't know fire arrow.
Kendrick.
Bro,
Fire
we're so
arrow.
protected.